In this session, I'm going to talk about the email that sometimes Amazon sends when your book is not validated by Amazon. So here you see that Amazon talks about the interior content of my book. So it's in French, I'm sorry, but I explain in English what it is. So it's talking about adding 3.2 millimeter inches large and adding also something for the 8 for the entire content, and it talks about the cover then, so it's not the interior. So this email doesn't make any sense for me, and I know that I received a lot of messages from students from my previous classes asking what do I do if Amazon doesn't validate my book and it is blocked. So I need to change the interior of my book. So in this case, I just listen to Amazon and I'm adding what Amazon is asking here, and you upload again your book in Amazon and you send again for review. So here I'm going in my book and I will go in Magic on the top and I will go in the size and I will add what Amazon is asking, and I simply resize the book as it is asked. I hope it is clear. So I resize the book and I upload again in Amazon. So you see that my book is in draft again, and I just go in edit paperback content and I will update again my book here. In the end, Amazon sent another email and it didn't work. Okay, even if I added the inches required. So I did this. I have created white borders here. I go in elements and I take a shape and I put in white. And so the text is not, and the images are not too close from the borders. So this was the problem for me. Sometimes you need to check several times what's wrong with your PDF. So I put the white here, line here, so it's okay for Amazon. Okay, so I do that. And then I republish again and it's working that way. So you check your document and you see if your images and your text is not too close from the borders. Sometimes it can be going in Magic Switch and check the size of your document and also the size of your cover. Sometimes there is like a few inches wrong and you need to check again. So I hope this video was clear. If you have any question, again, don't hesitate to send me a message through Udemy. I'll see you in the next session.